So, good day, guys. Welcome to Cloud Networking Concepts. Okay, so ang ating task number one is to review VPC Internet Gateway and Security Group documentation. Okay, so for our first step, sa ating taskbar, select the Microsoft Edge. Okay. Now, in Microsoft Edge, i-type down natin ito sa ating URL, aws.amazon.com. Okay, accept natin to. Okay, good. Now, sa ating toolbar, dito, check natin itong documentation. Okay. Yan. Now, sa documentation menu, select View All Documents. Now, dito sa ating AWS documentation page, select daw natin yung Amazon VPC. Ito. Amazon VPC. Wait. Yan. Okay, sa Amazon VPC documentation page, select natin yung user guide. Okay. Dito sa user guide page, select daw natin yung X dito sa may right ng on this page. Ito. Yan. Now, makikita natin yung diagram dito sa may what is Amazon VPC. Position siya, single cloud region and across one or more availability zones for redundancy within the region. Within each VPC, public and private subnets are created to host instances, such as EC2, machines or databases in order for these instances resources to communicate with each other or with the internet. An internet gateway is provided. Okay, so on the user guide page, ito. So, let's expand the security heading. Saan yun? Yan. So, select natin yung security groups. Ito ko ang ating scroll. So, sabi basahin daw natin 'tong sa security groups. Okay. Wala naman tayo nakikitang threats. So, let us close the Microsoft Edge. Okay. On to the next. So, ating task number 1 is to configure pfSense firewall rules. So, dito pa rin tayo sa ACID CO1. So, C01. Sa taskbar, sabi dito, select Microsoft Edge. Okay. And then, type natin sa URL field 192.168.0.5. Enter. And then, ilagay natin yung ating default admin password. Click sign in or enter. And then, pinutin lang natin yung not now. Okay. So, on the pfSense toolbar, click natin yung firewall, drop down and select rules. Okay. Sabi dito, sa firewall rules and sa WAN page, select add. Add rule to the top of the list. Yan. Add. Ito yan. Step 6 natin. On the firewall rules or edit page, in the destination, ayun. Oops, sumobra. In the destination pane, select the drop-down menu. For the destination port range from, which is ito. And then, select natin HTTP 80. Ayan. Okay. And then, sa description, ilagay daw natin tong allows web interface. And then, select save. Then, after that, select lang natin tong apply changes. Okay. So, again, sunod natin gagawin is, pinutin ulit natin itong add rule to the top of the list. Yan. Okay. And then, dito sa may edit firewall rule natin, i-select natin dito sa may protocol field, ICMP. Nasaan? And then, hanapin natin yung extra options. Ito. Ito-type natin sa description is allows field. Okay. And then click save. Okay, and then apply lang ulit natin yung changes. Okay, next. We're going to create a LAN interface in pfSense. So, step 2 natin sa Microsoft Edge browser window. Dito. Sa pfSense toolbar, click natin yung interfaces. And select assignments. Step 2, click natin tong add. no? Sa interfaces, yeah, select add. And punta tayo dito sa LAN. Sa general configuration thing, um, select natin yung checkbox kasunod ng enable interface. Yan. Next. So, dito pa rin tayo. Select the drop-down menu for the IPv4 configuration type. Tapos, select natin yung static IPv4. Okay. And, sa interface LAN, so, ulit. Okay. So, dito, type natin dito is 172.16.1.1. Okay. Then, scroll tayo sa pinakababa. And then, let's click yung save. Oh, so mapapansin nyo, lalabas dito, the LAN configuration has been changed. The changes must be applied to take effect. And then, don't forget to adjust the DHCP server range if needed for after applying. Okay? So, apply changes natin. Okay. Sa pangatlo, gagawin natin is to configure a local route table. Okay. So, sa taskbar natin, type the following. So, type natin is CMD, enter, then type natin yung ping 172.16.1.1 and then enter natin. So, makikita natin, di ba? 32. Then, next natin, ito type is yun. And next, print. Oh, ito pa. Print. Yun. And then, type natin yung route, add 172.16.1.0 plus 255.255.255.0 192.168.0. Sabi dito, sa command prompt natin, ita-type natin yung route paint, then press enter, and then ang susunod natin ita-type is string 172.16.1.1 106.1.1 and then press enter. Okay. Then as you can see, ito na siya. Okay, so ang next natin gagawin is to configure NAT on pfSense. So, on the taskbar, select the Microsoft Edge. Sa pfSense toolbar, click natin yung firewall. And then select natin yung NAT or NAT pala. And then sa firewall NAT port forward na page, select natin ulit itong yung add rule to the top of the list. Okay. Dito sa edit redirect entry na pane, drop down, select natin, drop down menu dito sa may protocol na field. And then select natin ulit si ICMP. And next, sa destination, type field, lagay natin dito is LAN address. Okay. And then sa step 6, dito sa address, sa redirect target IP, address field, one 172.16.1.99. Okay. So, next natin, sa description, lalagay natin is port FWD 2 172.16.1.99 and click natin yung save. Okay, tapos i-apply lang natin yung changes. Okay, so on the taskbar, select natin ulit yung CMD. Oh, nilagay. Tapos, dito sa ating CMD prompt, ito type natin yung ping 172.16.1.1 and then press natin yung enter. Yan. Makikita natin. Then, again, punta ulit tayo kay Microsoft Edge. Yun. Okay, firewall NAT port forward page. Select natin yung checkbox para for the single created rule. Okay. Then apply changes. Now, balik tayo kay CMD. And then type natin yung ping 172.16.1.1 and then press enter. Okay, and then after that, pwede natin i-close yung ating CMD window. And then let's close our Microsoft Edge. Okay.